Hi, welcome back to another chapter of Miss Zoying or Miss Nightingale, chapter 5. Before that, please like, share, subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bago kong uploads. This channel is all about girls love or Yuri Manhwa and is only a fun translation. There are grammatical and typographical errors. To those who are always commenting, reacting, watching, thank you so much po sa inyong tireless support. Before you fight them, you've already lost. You don't get to lecture me. You have no idea what I've been up to all these years. I took the lead in solving many serious cases. Oh, really? Then why did you come all the way to the psychiatric hospital to see me? Amazing daughter. Don't let her get you off track. The case is important. That's what her chief told her. Recently, a child's body was dumped in the forest near Wanyang Middle Road. He was discovered by a forest guard early in the morning, and a large number of Lego puzzles were left at the scene. The only thing they can find in common is that the victims were children. In addition to the fact that the murderer dumped the body in this organized area, the scene was so clean that they couldn't pick any clues, including the authorities are taking this case very seriously, so the director sent Zoyang there to ask her mom if she has any opinion on the case. So her chief is Miss Soyang's superior. The director is very smart. He knew that in his possession, he might not be able to get any useful help. But Zoyang is different. She is her only family. That's why she was sent to question her. Zoyang, a mental institution is not a nice place. Do you realize you're being used by him? Zoyang is just following the procedure. She will do whatever the leader asks her to do. You do what you're told to do? And in the classroom as well? She asked. Do you believe everything your teacher says? Tell me, since you graduated from the police academy, what books on psychology have you read? According to Soyang, she studied police psychology in her school. The marks for that subject were very high and she thought it was enough. That's indeed a good textbook. But if you only listen to the teachers and textbook and stop at what you have learned, it's very difficult to catch a criminal. A letter is better than no book. I think you should know what this saying means. That book, Police Psychology, is obviously a bit outdated compared to now. You know, criminals study too, but they don't necessarily study psychology. Once you stop moving forward, you will be left behind. You can't keep up with the murderers thinking like this. You are just an ordinary person, not a hunter. So compared to her mother, Zoyang is really not that good. She's hoping that her mother can give them police some help. Then why do I have to help you? It's because if they don't catch the murderers soon, it's likely that more innocent children will be killed. Oh, what does this have to do with me? It's your duty to help us. It's your duty as a citizen. Judy? Zoyang, you've learned nothing else in the past few years, but you've learned a whole lot of things in terms of honor. Zoyang, go back. Go back to the station. Just tell Li Hao that I don't want to talk about it, and he'll understand. In addition to what I said, as a mother, I hope you can help me. And now you're admitting I'm your mother? That wasn't your attitude a moment ago. You just think I'm a disgusting insect locked in a cage. Since there isn't, come, call me Mom. Let me hear it. Don't forget to leave a comment if you like this video. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.